Today I'm going to show you Turbulent Display text effect. First we will write a text. Then we will change the alignment and font style. And we'll go Effect and Preset and search Turbulent Display. And we'll go Effect Control and set the amount 20% and size 20%. And then turn on random scent. Look, here is the code generate option. I'll write the time here and give a higher number to speed up and a lower number to slow it down. Then we will add glow effect to the text. Create a duplicate glow effect. And increase the glow radius 500. Here we will cut the text layer if we want to write more text. We can cut it like this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.